Kenyans should experience a shift in policing from practices characterized by extrajudicial illegality, impunity, and excesses to an approach defined by adherence to due process and the rule of law, fostering excellent relations with communities and inspiring trust among citizens. That while our security men and women are doing their utmost, they are being attacked, they are being vilified, they have no support. It cannot work. We have to strike a balance. As parents, me being one of them, as citizens, the religious community, we must step up because there is a moral issue around what is going on in that space.